Hey there, Bootzone here. This is a Bosch washing machine, Varioperfect EcoSilence drive, WAT 28371GB/49. How you clean the lint filter. Let's say the door was closed and the water was full, or you just knew that you wanted to clean the lint filter. Go down here to the bottom, screwdriver or butter knife or something like that, pop this open. You could probably use your fingernail. I'm outside, but if you were inside, get a baking tray or a basin or something like that. And if I pull this, pop out this hose, should be able to. There it is. There's some beautiful wash water coming out. Drain that off into somewhere suitable. If you're indoors, obviously this will go on your floor. This is the filter in here. I can speed up the whole process by opening this. Oh, maybe I can't. There's something stuck in there, so this is going to be tricky. Let's let that water come out. So it's drained down. Let's replace this cap and get it out of the way, this hose. See if I can tuck that out of the way there. This is turning a little bit, about a quarter of a turn. So there's probably something, a hairpin, something like that stuck in there. You could try forcing it, but you might break the handle off. So I'll try forcing it first. I've got a couple of pieces of wood here. They're only small, about 7 inches long, something like that. You could use wooden spoons from your kitchen or anything just to get a better grip on it. And that'll try twisting it. Makes it easier. That's it, actually. We've got it past whatever was blocking it there for now. Let's see what happens. It's stuck again, so I'll just give it a wiggle. That's stuck again. I don't want to break the plastic because if that happens, we won't get it out at all. There we go. What's in here? Just a load of fluff in this case and a bit of a piece of grass or something. So let's take a look in here. It all looks okay in there. That little blade in the back should go around freely like that. That's perfect. So this is cleaned up actually quite well. Just offer it back in, screw it up until it's pointing upwards. In this case, it won't go any further. Fold that back in if it'll go. I'll try this in first. There we go, snap that back in, fold that up, and that's the job done. If you found this useful, tell me about it in the comments below, or if you've got any questions, leave them down there. If it was helpful to you, give us a like or subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Thanks for watching. See you later.